Hello guys, my name is Danu. Me with my friend Risqi will explain about sociolinguistic theme. Lesson 1. Sociolinguistics and linguistic varieties. Sociolinguistics explores how language varies across different social groups influenced by factors like class, ethnicity, age, and gender. It studies linguistic varieties such as dialects, accents, and registers, examining their implications for communication and social identity. 2. Regional and social dialects. Regional dialects vary in pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar based on geographical location, while social dialects differ due to social factors like education and occupation. Both types contribute to linguistic diversity and are studied to understand their development and social significance. And 3. Vernacular languages versus standard languages. Vernacular languages are informal spoken forms with colloquialism and regional features, while standard languages are formal, recognized forms for written and formal spoken communication. This distinction reflects social norms and influences language, attitudes, and identities. And 4. Relations between language and gender, sex, age, and ethnicity. Language use varies based on gender, age, and ethnicity, influencing vocabulary, intonation, and communication styles. Sociolinguistics explores how language reflects and reinforces social identities, stereotypes, and power dynamics within societies. And last, language choice, language maintenance, and language change. Language choices involves decisions on which languages to use based on identity, social status, education, and economic opportunities. Language maintenance efforts preserve language across generations, while language change occurs naturally due to social, cultural, and historical factors.
Hello, I'm Risqi. I would like to continue the explanation of sociolinguistics material from Danu, starting from discussion 6, namely style, context, register, speech functions, genders, politeness, stereotypes, and cross-cultural communication. Style, context, and register language refer to how language adapts to different situations and audience. Style involves variations in language use influenced by formality, intimacy, and social distance. Context encompasses the broader circumstance of language use, such as physical environment and cultural norms. Register refers to language variations associated with specific social or occupational groups. Speech functions relate to purpose of language use, such as expressing emotions, providing information, or maintaining social relationships. These functions are influenced by gender norms, politeness, stereotypes, and cultural expectations. Cross-cultural communication examines how these factors interact across different linguistic and cultural backgrounds, affecting mutual understanding and interactions. Next, discussion 7 about language, cognition, culture, and ethnography. Language influences cognition by shaping thoughts, process, and cultural practice. Different language may have unique structures that influence how speakers perceive and interpret the world. In sociolinguistics, studying language use within specific cultural contexts using qualitative methods to understand language role in shaping social identity cohesion. For the next discussion 8 about language attitudes, sociolinguistic competence, and language and education. Language attitudes are individuals' perceptions and evaluations of language or dialects. Influenced by social, historical, and economic factors, sociolinguistic competence refers to the ability to effectively use language in different social contexts. Considering linguistic variations and cultural norms, language and education explores how education influences language attitudes and competence through language policies, bilingual education programs, and the promotion of multilingualism and cultural diversity in schools. For the last discussion about discourse analysis, dimensions of sociolinguistic analysis and sociolinguistic universals. Discourse analysis examines language use beyond sentence structure, studying larger units of meaning and context in communication. It explores how discourse reflects social relationships, identities, and power dynamics. Dimensions of sociolinguistic analysis encompass various factors influencing language use, such as historical context, social structure, power relations, and sociolinguistic variation. Sociolinguistic universals are pattern or principle observed across different languages and cultures, providing insight into communities in language structure and evolutions across different human societies. That's all Thank you for your attention and taking the time to watch our material explanations. We appreciate your interest and support. We apologize for any shortcomings or mistake in our explanations. Your understanding and feedback are invaluable to us. Thank you once again.